doing right now?
I'm home.
Get out of my face.
Hey guys, this is Micah Donnelise and welcome back to my channel. I do want to say that I am so sorry that I have not been posting as consistently as I used to, or as I should be, you know? But I am a pre-med student, which is no excuse. I should still be posting, you know? Like, I do things every day. I should still be posting. So I am going to try and make it a little bit more consistent and kind of create a little routine for the summer. I do have my cousin Italia that came up from Jamaica, so I'm excited. You'll meet her in the video, later on in the video. But she is here and she's going to help me with some editing and kind of like bring out some content. We've got some ideas rolling for you guys. But for today, we are doing a 50 chicken nuggets challenge. You heard me right. We are going to eat 50 McDonald's chicken nuggets for you guys today because that's just the love. We'll do anything for you, period. We are going to be eating 50 McDonald's chicken nuggets today. I know, McDonald's. But that's okay. They will be good. So we'll see. Like I said, I'm starving, so I have not eaten all day. So these McDonald's chicken nuggets are about to be slapping. But anyway, so I do want to say that I'm sorry for not posting content as consistently as I should be, and I'm excited for this challenge. My cousin Italia will be doing it with me today, as well as my brother Ethan, and so, yep, it's gonna be great. I'll see you at McDonald's and we'll get this thing started. Make sure it's 150, right?
Yes, ma'am. I just did the math before I started talking to you.
Okay. Okay.
What sauces would you like with them?
Barbecue, honey mustard, ketchup, sweet and sour.
I want to buy new sauces, the sweet and chili and the creamy sauce.
Yes, I do. Can I also have 3 drinks? 3 larges, 1 sweet tea, 1 Coke, and 1 blueberry slushie. You should just give it to us for free.
I got you. What else can I get?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love you. Okay, I think that's it, right? Yeah, because we're not going to be able to eat nothing else.
Okay, your total's going to be $48.96.
Thank you.
You should use my mouth. My mouth? My mouth. You ready?
Girl, tell me why we buying 150 nuggets. My cheap ass buying 150 nuggets. Thank you. At least we got a free slushie.
Yes, thank you. That's Thank you.
Thanks.
You ready, Ethan?
They didn't even have them made in them. They forgot to make them. 80. Oh, how much are? It's 10 in a box, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. This is 80.
How much is that?
This is 80. Listen, McDonald's said McDonald's can't say they didn't profit off my ass.
True.
You know what I wanted to do? I wanted to buy a whole bunch of chicken nuggets and just give them to homeless people. We should do that. This is only 80 nuggets.
We moved from, Dad, I don't have any money, to $50 worth of food.
Look at you.
150 nuggets.
Sauce? Thank you.
That's just sauce.
Okay, this is all of it. Girl, you got to help me.
Put it down.
First, we're gonna. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first, we're gonna So as you know, there's 10 chicken nuggets in each container. So we're gonna give everyone 5 containers, and then we will start. Are you gonna eat all of that?
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
This is crazy. 50 nuggets each.
They actually listen. I'm hungry.
You know what you have to do for these type of challenges? Don't eat all day and then come eat these.
Exactly.
Did you eat all day? Okay, guys, so drop a comment down in the comment section on who do you think is going to eat the most and how much do you think they're going to eat. Okay,
I bet.
so we're gonna turn the camera around for 1 second. Dad, who do you think is gonna eat the most?
Ethan.
Ethan.
Ethan! You don't have faith in me?
Hell no.
What?
We
Okay.
did this challenge before. You couldn't
Exactly.
beat me.
But I did beat you.
No, I had 26. You had
I
25.
beat I beat him. Listen, we had a video of this whole challenge with
Where's your
me
proof?
and my brother Nathaniel. Look at him. He lost to Micah, Donalise, Editha, Horn.
You didn't eat nothing
Period.
all day.
Exactly. But I won. Okay.
That's cheating.
Already, guys. Ethan, are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get our sauces together, sis.
Are you using the buffalo one, Ethan?
I'm using this one.
No, Ethan's mixing them all.
Okay. Comment if you've ever tried this.
Comment if you ever tried. Wait, what's that crazy one? This
Or
one.
that one. What is that one called?
Mighty hot sauce.
Pass the mighty hot sauce.
I didn't know
I'm
they
gonna
have hot.
I want to smell
hot
it first.
sauce.
Isn't this sweet and sour?
Sweet and sour.
I know flavors.
Hold on, let me smell.
Alright, make a
Yo.
cool and make them nuggets them get cool.
Yeah.
Them are gonna taste bad if you cool.
Okay. Alrighty. So we're gonna start. 3. Everyone count down. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, is this 1 or 2 nuggets? Oh, come on.
I don't trust chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Can I get one?
Alright, they actually taste good.
Mm-hmm.
Don't dig. You're gonna miss
No.
the thing. Don't do it.
You want to go to Olive
And
Garden?
I'm done eating it, so.
All right, whenever they're done dying, just put them in. I'm gonna just warm them up in the toaster thing. So just put them back in the box. Where are the boxes? Cause they're actually slapping today. I don't
Oh
know.
my god. This honey mustard?
So
No, this is not honey mustard. What is this?
it's the spicy one.
This Cajun sauce is good. It's really good.
Isn't it spicy though? Can I try it?
Sweet and sour?
No, try this one. The sweet
I
and sour?
haven't. I have one of those.
Okay, I'm gonna try the sweet and sour one.
The sweet and sour tastes gross.
What time you getting at? Something?
I'm leaving here soon.
Ew.
It's
Yeah.
alright.
What time you get? It's supposed to be there for?
Wait,
6,
hold on.
but I'm leaving here because I'm gonna be flowers.
The sweet and sour sauce tastes like it has cinnamon.
Huh? Yeah, I am.
Probably does.
Well, I'm gonna leave here at 5:10. I'm about to hop in the shower right now.
Remember, your date ruined the delivery. So you know,
What dates?
I'm giving up my delivery for you and your date.
Yeah.
It is an anniversary.
Huh?
It is anniversary.
Oh,
Surgery.
1 year?
Walking
No.
around naked
6
and
months.
Half a year. That's what I'm thinking.
I'm probably gonna eat all these.
Let me try
Yo,
this.
haven't
yo.
eaten
Oh,
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
this is horrible.
What? The spicy one?
The mighty hot sauce tastes like garbage. Like, it's sour. Imagine like sour and
I can hear it
ketchup.
already.
Like sour ketchup.
Can I taste it?
You mean like rotten
It's
ketchup?
like sour ketchup.
Let me taste it.
Mmm. It's good.
No, it's not.
It tastes like the hot sauce they give us for the burritos.
It tastes like sour ketchup, Sergey.
No, it's
It's quite fine.
It tastes like sour
I
ketchup.
don't know what's wrong with you, my guy.
You don't have time to jerk off, okay?
Huh? Hey, where's your key?
What?
Where's her key?
What?
I'm leaving. Oh, it's on my camera.
Which key?
Her car keys.
Yeah.
Back editing me out.
We're not editing you out.
I'm butt naked in the background.
So that's half.
It's like, is this 1 or 2? I don't know.
Night 110.
How much have I eaten already?
I don't know.
Eat. Ethan's probably gonna do boys.
I feel like
I didn't even eat.
You're gonna shit a whole nugget so you don't eat. She boss.
your boss already in. You got to
Fine. I'm almost about to go to the first one.
I think I can finish.
I must reach 10 bedroom.
Kind of dry. Not even gonna try it.
These are dry. Let me see. I need a drink. I haven't drunk since.
Must.
If I drink, I'm not gonna be able to eat as many.
Organics, apple juice.
As you can see, my dad is an attention seeker. I don't know honey mustard.
Yeah, try the spicy honey mustard.
Is it good?
Yeah. Just honey mustard spicy.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
There might be 10 left or not.
How do you feel so far?
Yeah.
You feel terrible? I feel alright. Wait, where did the chicken nugget that I just put into go?
Becca, look at my plate versus yours. You just a checked. Eat, man.
Versus
Look at Becca's plate.
You guys can't eat.
I am eating. Am I not just eating fast enough?
Sergeant can eat when he's hungry.
I can't
That's
eat
the
because
only
I'm
reason.
hungry.
The only reason you beat him that day is because he ate.
Actually,
What?
no, that is not true. He did not eat all day, and neither did I.
I'm trying to work on my body. This is not good for me. We're going to the gym for 3 hours after this.
3 hours. Bet.
I know.
But how am I gonna be able to move after eating all of this?
I'm walking to the gym after this.
Or just going around
That sounds like a good
the
trip.
storage.
You said you feel like what? Let's eat this way. Oh wait, what am I doing? How many chicken nuggets? I feel like they gave me double the chicken nuggets. Because half these chicken nuggets were fused together. Why y'all quiet now?
It's so hard, man.
I feel like I haven't even scraped the
How's it
vial.
going, Ethan?
This is so hard. I can't even eat one more.
You ready for it? Are you serious? Are you dead ass? I'm about to say.
Bitch, I'm already know.
You think so? I feel like. Let me count how much I have left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Alright,
10,
alright.
11, 12, 13.
Maybe if my plate is
Wow.
organized, I'll be more
18.
motivated. 1,
I only have 33 on here. I'm not even halfway.
I don't even know how much I want.
I don't know how much you ate.
I ate a lot, but
You know what I should have did? Ate all the small ones first.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 13, 14, 15.
Bitch! You see this? She said, bitch.
29. I ain't more than you already.
How much did you?
29.
You have 29?
Well, let's see how much I have.
Ethan has 29, girl. I'm only at 32.
Alright, so I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 26, 28, 31.
Shit. 31. 31.
8.
Well,
31.
disclaimer, Saturday still on my mind. Thank God.
Wait, he did?
We never hear him. Honestly, they're so good today. What are you thinking, no? When you were sitting up, Shadow.
How did I not see that?
Girl, you're not paying attention. Alright, 30.
I'm wondering why you have so much less. Bitch.
Because I'm not eating.
No.
No,
Yeah,
Over
see?
here.
I feel sick.
Really? I feel good. I feel
Stop
like,
tapping.
let's go.
Stop lying.
Let's go.
Stop lying.
Come on.
Stop lying.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, let's talk because I'm on a break. So,
Let's put some questions. Let's answer some
that's
questions.
what I was gonna do.
Great minds think alike.
See, I don't think like.
Bruh, I'm about to have a food baby after this.
I lost 5 pounds in the last week and I just put on 100.
Let's say more like,
Alright, questions to get to know someone.
Yo. Man.
Alright, guys, we're gonna play
I'm
a
about to
game
go up.
while they're eating.
Honestly.
let's ask. Shh. Are you dead ass?
Ethan.
Brother, don't die. Keep your head up. Keep it up, man. Just, wait, no. Eat mine. Eat my chicken nuggets, not yours.
Yo, I'm choking.
Are you sure? Drink some water.
Oh, ready for the questions?
Yeah. Let's eat them
Ethan.
first.
If you could only eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Chicken nuggets.
You got me.
You trying to get McDonald's sponsorship?
You heard that, McDonald's? My brother wants you to sponsor him. He's on TikTok. Are you on YouTube?
Yeah.
He swear he on YouTube.
Alright,
Don't worry,
Michael.
he's gonna come up on my channel.
You swear you on YouTube.
But I am, boy,
Who?
I am on YouTube.
Who?
Alright, Michael, your question.
Michael Donnelly's. Go ahead.
If you could
Give me a honey
choose
mustard
to
sauce.
do anything for a day, what would it be?
Girl, you know I'm indecisive. Anything for a day, like physical activities or
What? Alright, if you could do anything, any one thing for a day, what would it be?
this video has to be kids appropriate, right?
No.
So, Michael, what would you do if it wasn't?
Any one thing for a day,
Yeah.
I would. Huh?
Yeah,
What you saying over there? What are you mumbling?
Come now, Michael.
No,
answer.
I'm coming.
Do
I
something.
would. Huh?
Huh?
Here, Ethan. You choose
I
one of
would-
the questions.
What would I do?
Michael, come. Choose anything. Go to the gym, model. I don't know. What would you do for a day
Oh.
that you like?
Okay, you know what I would do? I would want to act in the next.
Michael, the answer that will be deep. You know? Anything for a day could simply be sleeping. You'd have to make up something.
No, I want to act in the next Avengers movie. That's what I want to do.
For a day? Okay. You would act the day.
No, I would act in the film.
Okay.
And then I would act the next day after that. And this is...
Alright, Ethan, go.
What? You can just take a shit right there. That's what's in your mind. That just. Okay, Ethan, ask Italia a question.
That feels the system, you know. Just thinking more, unless you go down, give you more
Come to Ethan.
food,
We're gonna talk about it.
filling.
Yeah, after a question.
What would you sing at a karaoke night?
The first one that came in my head was California King, baby. I would sing Ariana Grande, God. What is her name? God is a woman?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Ariana. I love Ariana Grande, but damn, that was a blank. I had a blank.
I would sing God is a woman.
How does that feel? How does that sound good again? Girl, you don't know it, so you can sing it.
Yeah.
You know that karaoke.
No.
And then
My
I asked
buzz.
me, alright, I'm not gonna
Y'all didn't even have.
We're getting there.
I'm
not
at 25. We know what you did.
Don't come for him.
Aside from necessities, what's one thing you could not go a day without? Not like food, water, shelter, clothing. Like,
Girl, you asking me some questions that I gotta think about.
your phone. Your phone is not a necessity.
No, I cannot go without
Food.
sleeping. Oh, it's a necessity. I'm so stupid. Okay, I cannot go without.
Alright. Ethan.
You better die. How much chicken nuggets you got left?
Like 20.
Hey, I'll give you $5 if you take 5 chicken nuggets.
I'm like
I'll give you $20 if you take all of mine. I'll give you $100. I'll give you my life. Ethan, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
Introvert.
You know what those stuff mean? Okay, which one are you?
Are you introvert or extrovert?
if I can finish this also.
I thought I took long.
Introvert.
Introvert? Micah,
It's not busting anymore.
please answer this question.
It's not busting. They cold now.
If you were the ruler of your own country, what's the first rule you'd introduce? I feel like I'm giving you a hard question.
You really are giving me these hard questions, and I'm so
Alright, Micah, who was your first crush?
Just bleep. His name was my first ever crush, like
Yeah.
celebrity crush or real
No,
person
that's
crush.
mercy. Crush.
Like my real
Real
person crush?
person. People.
No, my celebrity crush. That's what I'm assuming.
Okay.
Was Zac Efron.
Okay.
That man could take. Okay, go ahead.
Ethan, on a scale of 1 to 10, how funny you think you are?
Funny.
Yeah. I'd say that.
Ethan, you're not funny.
He is.
Ethan, you're not funny.
The only thing funny here is your face.
That's why you got honey mustard on your face.
I walk around there Jackson.
What? Can somebody get him a napkin? Nigga! I'm gonna have to wash it. For a party again. Okay, do you want me to ask you a
I
question
feel
now?
like I'm going
Girl, you're not even eating. You just haven't
to
towered
out
of me.
myself. No, I'm not killing myself for YouTube, you know. Come now, Mike, I read the question.
He keeps trying to put his nuggets in my plate.
Come now, ask me a question.
I'm hoodie.
Project from the eye on the shirt.
What is one thing you'll never do again?
I think just put
One thing I'd never do again.
Yeah.
50 nuggets challenge. I would never do this again.
Okay. Alright. Ian. What's the... No, I'm not going to say that. Dad's
What?
in the next room. If you could go back in time to change one thing, what would you change?
I wouldn't change it.
Everybody talking to you, Star J.
Heartbreak, my God. Every rejection, I would keep it.
one thing I'll change.
Because it works out in the end.
The last time we went to Utah.
He's just saying that because he's in love.
Everything happens for a reason.
Ah!
You get wiser from your mistakes.
Can you go ahead?
And
All casual, then chips.
with the
He needs some help. Okay, guys, look at my
Those better
brother.
not be dirty.
He's ready for a date. Do you guys think he's ready, or do you think he should change? Comment below. Comment below.
Alright, I'm picking up
Come
all
over
the-
here, Star J.
all the tiny ones, you know, because I'm skilled like that. You know, when I eat all of them.
Come on, show the fit. Show the fit. Show the fit. Show the fit. Here, let me get the
Sponsor
camera.
the cologne.
And then you have to come and fix it.
You
Show the
just
fit.
spray it on your-
He said he ready for his anniversary. Okay. Okay, show the fit. Move your head. Show the fit. Show the fit. Okay. Should he change it? Should he change it? And I oops. Ski. Put it over there. Yo, I really do feel it. No, sir. Take it to me now.
You done? You done? You're done? You're quitting?
I can feel it now.
You're quitting?
I'm not quitting. Are you quitting?
You quit, Italia? You quit?
Guys,
Yeah.
my cousin is gonna help me.
Where's that one?
Niggy, you're like, this is robbery.
No,
This is-
we're twins.
Robbery! Ethan, you see the bull coming out here?
You don't want no more?
Bye, brother.
Hey, yo, come take
You
the
will eat them
line.
when you come home?
Maybe.
Hey, yo, take one of mine, too.
Eric,
No,
just start
honestly,
real
it
quick.
literally tastes nasty now. Like, it doesn't taste good no more. It's good. I'm really trying. I'm just...
There was a bone in mine.
Shut up.
How is there a bone in a McDonald's chicken nugget?
Something was hard in it.
Shut up.
McDonald's, we got some questions for you. Because the last time I ate a McDonald's chicken nugget, I found this little white, thick piece of something in the McDonald's chicken nugget. How do I turn it around?
What about the clothes he bought you?
My arms are too long. How do you mean it can't fit? It's a side sleeve shirt.
The shirt, Mom? The shirt not good?
Huh?
The shirt's not good?
Look horrible.
How do you mean horrible? Like, this color? It matches the gray.
Why you telling that boy he don't look good? See my food belly?
Come.
Go.
Yo, I literally have a food belly.
Michael, you need to eat. Come on, man.
Yeah, you're laughing.
Hey yo! I feel the susity already. I know what you did. Take your nuggets back. No. Take your nuggets. Who took the nuggets? Who picked up my nuggets?
No.
Or who took their nuggets and put them in my bag? Why it looks so minuscule over
Hey,
here?
yo.
They told the man organize.
I be eating a lot, Micah.
No.
And those were all the tiny ones.
Hey, where'd your nuggets go?
Right.
Nigga got the nuggets in the drawers.
Wait. No, but actually, you messed up my nuggets, Micah.
No,
It's
bro.
so retarded.
I got for 1 minute and these niggas hiding their nuggets in the drawer. Where else you got their nuggets? You got nuggets in your pants? Come here, boy.
Look at her.
Take off your drawers. How are you feeling, Italia?
Do you see
Why?
the baby in my belly? It's a nugget baby.
Oh my gosh, guys. Did you guys like really put your nuggets in my bin?
20, 21, 20. Damn, I'm still in the 20.
I'll count how much I have.
Damn.
Hey, yo, I got 22 left.
Damn, bitch.
So we lost Italia.
She dead.
It's up to us.
She gone.
It's up to us to finish the challenge.
You ain't finna
We're gonna quote. Who are we gonna quote?
start back.
Because we are
They
blended.
grew up so fast. He changed. You look better now.
Go, you have to come over here.
Die on the seat.
Yeah, come die on your favorite cuz.
I feel like I want to shit.
Yo, these McDonald's chicken nuggets, after like 25, they taste like complete doo
Dogs.
No, they really taste bad for true.
Hey, get some more. Okay.
We gotta get
Come hold me. Hold me.
Don't touch
Hold
me.
me. Hold me.
Nah.
Hold me.
This can
We
be the
ain't feeling
thumbnail.
right now.
Hold me.
See the thumbnail here, Micah?
Huh? Eat chicken nuggets. Eat chicken nuggets. Eat chicken nuggets.
Oh,
I'm still
gosh.
going.
You eat. How much you have left?
Well, everybody knows the Italia one.
Bit.
Because, you know.
Two. Ethan, how much you have left?
This is my last one.
No. Okay. So how much you have left? 2, 4,
Steak to the
6,
bottom.
8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. Italia, you out. You out, Italia.
No.
How much you have left?
How much you have? 19.
19,
22.
21, 20, 20. I gotta eat 4 to beat Ethan.
How much you have eaten?
Bitch.
How much you have?
Okay, I gotta eat 6 to beat Ethan.
Alright, so I'm gonna get the boxes.
Okay, so like,
I won. You lost. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. 18.
okay, guys. So, Ethan, I'm crying inside. I hate losing, as you can tell.
18, an even number.
See it, no, Micah?
Ethan won the 50 chicken nuggets challenge. Italia, how do you feel?
Disgusting.
So, we kind of decided that we can't eat anymore. So, yes, I lost, Italia lost, and Ethan won. I came second because Italia just don't count. Don't count. Disqualified.
I
But Ethan going